get to Pingyao from Taiyuan airport, go straight outside the terminal, catch a blue taxi to the Taiyuan train station. Take about 15 minutes and it'll cost you 15 RMB. The taxi will drop you right at the front. If you haven't booked a ticket yet, you're going to have to get one from the automatic kiosk. You're looking for this sign. There is a risk that if you don't have your ticket booked, you might be standing as seats are allocated the same as on a plane. Just be aware that the kiosk machines, only language is Chinese, so look for some young person to help you or else you'll struggle. If you're on a pre-booked ticket, just turn around and you'll see these elevators behind you. You're going to have to go downstairs to pick up your tickets. Go down to the basement and head out to where everybody else is going, which is a big office, and stand in the far right queue to pick up your tickets. You'll need your booking reference number and your passport. They won't speak much English, but if you just put your passport over it and give them the number on a piece of paper or show them your booking, that's normally enough. They'll give you your tickets, you head back upstairs, and you've got all you need to get into the station. Once you get inside the building, the first thing they'll do is check your ID and your ticket. They'll make sure you've got a valid ticket, and once you pass through that, you'll do baggage screening. Just like at the airport, you'll put your bags on the machine to get x-rayed, and once you've passed through there, you're inside the railway station proper. Once you're inside the station, it's pretty typical railway station. There's clean toilets there, quite Western style, plenty of restaurants and convenience stores to get something to eat or drink. The police station is upstairs on the northern side. You'll see the train number that'll take you to Pingyao on the departure board. The train number, the platform, and the time of departure will be in English. There's a gate you'll have to go to, which will be gate 18, and once you go through that, they'll take you down to the right platform. You won't be able to go through that gate until about 10 minutes before departure, and it works like a metro. You use your ticket and put it through the turnstile and it lets you through. Once you get down the escalator, check that you're at the right platform. You do have access to all the trains on that side, so make sure the train number coincides with your ticket. Then to find your seat, you just check your ticket, make sure you're at the right carriage. They're all numbered. Hop on that carriage. Your bags, there's no luggage racks except for the one above your seat. Just do your best and you're ready to go to Pingyao. Just like in the metro, each carriage tells you the next station, the line you're on. So it's pretty hard to screw it up. In general, I found the people very friendly, especially the young ones. They're pretty keen to try their English out. So yeah, I was always keen to interact.
Hello guys, my name is Travis, and it is my second time to come here to this beautiful Asian town. So I have to say there are three main reasons that I have to recommend this city. And the first is it has the longest history of the Chinese Asian town. So it has all the historical things, all the Asian town, all the traditional Chinese things. So I have to come here. And the second reason is like it's very special about the city. Actually, the shape of the city is like a tortoise. It means in Chinese it means a long time span. So we're gonna live a long time if we come here.
The ride from Taiyuan to Pingyao takes 40 minutes. One thing I noticed in Pingyao, it wasn't packed with tourists, and the number of people hopping off the train at Pingyao gave a good indication of the lower density of tourists I was going to find when I got to Pingyao Ancient City. Getting out of the station, you will need your original ticket, just like any metro. Let you poke for a turnstile, and if it's green, let you through, you're all good. If not, I'm sure that guy standing on the right will help you out. Once you get out the doors, you're at the front of the station. Just goes down the steps at the front, out to the taxis there. Take 20 minutes to get from the railway station to the ancient city walls, depending on which gate you need to get to. It'll cost you 19 RMB. From here it's walking only to get into your hotel. Once you get inside the walls, there are little battery powered shuttles that can run you around. Enjoy Pingyao. It's probably a 2-day visit and you'll see all you need to see. The bonus bar for this video, Ammo Bar in Taiyuan. Good selection of scotch and great cocktails. You'll find directions in the description box below.